Oke, waktu dan tempat silakan. Siapa? Suaranya belum
Sorry.
muncul.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is an Asar time, and I live across from the mosque, so I'm hoping that it's not quite distract our class today. Okay, so maam gulai sampai ke pedes, pedes
Cakep.
ya. Halo, good day guys. Nggak nyambung ya. Lupakan. So, hi everyone. So, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to see you all today. So, I hope you all doing well today. So, it's almost weekend. Yeah, tomorrow actually the weekend. I'm not sure which is you. All of you are here spending weekend or not, but yes, I cannot wait for the weekend since of my weekdays is quite hectic. Okay, so yes, again, it's only one person. Hi, Devinta Jayantari. Good to see you today. I'd like to say hi to everyone actually, but because only one person who on cam, Lusus now she's gone now. Okay, good. So yes, last time we discussed about ini ya, apa namanya? Sentence with multiple clauses and about the connector, aborsi connector, right? Now let me share you other connector. Okay, can you see this clearly, guys? Kelihatan ya?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Right. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about coordinate connector ya. So now we try to find out other connector which is we called it time and cost connector. So almost same like what we discussed last time. The difference right now is only the position. Jadi hanya lokasi atau posisinya aja ya. For the aborsi, it's supposed to be only in the middle, ada di tengah aja. Nah, for the adverb time and cause connector, it could be in the beginning of the sentence or in the middle. So, like the example, seperti contoh yang ada di sini, I will sign the check before you leave. Nah, the connector here is before. Nah, first clause, klausa satunya adalah I will check the sign, and then the second clause is you leave, right? Jadi ada dua klausa udahan, and each of the clauses consists of subject and verb. Masing-masing terdiri dari subjek sama verb. I will sama you leave. Nah, here the difference sama yang aborsi kemarin, coordinate connector kemarin, yang time and cause connector right now, we can put it in the beginning of sentence. Jadi before you leave, comma, I will sign the check. Begitu. Jadi klausa yang kedua ditarik ke depan dan diberi konektornya, kemudian dikasih koma, dan habis itu dilanjutkan dengan klausa yang satu. Nah, here after the klausa one harus tetap dikasih koma ya. Nanti kalau nggak dikasih koma, it's gonna be wrong. It's gonna be missing koma. Okay, right? So let's go then into the example. Kita menuju ke contohnya. Okay, somebody could you please read the example on the box? Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna read. La 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 was late. I missed the appointment. Jadi kira-kira apa nih jawabannya? Somebody wanna try answer?
Maybe perform.
Bravo, bravo, because ya. Kenapa kok jawabannya yang because?
D.
D, delta. Kenapa kok delta? So let's take a look ya, the component of this sentence. Kita kan di sini sudah ada koma, di sini sudah ada koma. So it mean it's gonna be klausa 1. Let's take a look klausa 1 kan belum lengkap ya. So kita lihatnya yang klausa 2 aja. Is there any subject for the clause second clause? Is there any subject for second clause?
I.
Good. Yes, sudah ada I. And then verbnya for the second clause?
Miss.
Missed. Great. So it's already complete. Nah, let's take a look now on the klausa 1. Nah, klausa 1 itu ada apa aja? Apakah sudah ada verbnya?
Ada.
Which one is the verb?
Was.
Was, that's right. Was is the verb. Oke, jadi kita disuruh mencari apanya?
Subject.
Subjek. Nah, terus butuh konektor nggak?
Subject.
Nah, kalau dicari subjek berarti yang A dong ya. I was late, gitu. Jadi kita, karena itu ada dua klausa, we have to give konektor. Jadi, the best answer is yang mana jadi?
I.
Delta ya?
Ya.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Since he ya. Jadi since he. So since adalah the connector, right? Kemudian ditambahin he, which is it is the subject, right? Jadi begitu. That's why the best answer is C. So the difference, since he was late, I missed the appointment. So the position of adverb time and cause connector, dia bisa di depan dan dia bisa di tengah ya. If the connector is in the beginning of the sentence, after klausa 1, it's supposed to be there is comma. Harus ada koma yang sesudah klausa satunya. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's go into the real exercises. Kita langsung menuju ke latihannya ya. Exercise 7. Why number 1 is correct?
Complete.
Complete, ma'am.
Complete. Oh ya, let me show you ya yang termasuk dalam adverb time and connector ini apa aja, Miss? Okay, I almost forget to tell you. Okay, so yang masuk dalam time connector, can you see this guys? Kelihatan nggak? Or maybe blurry? Sorry. So, there you go. Adverb time and cause connector yang masuk ke dalam adverb time and cause connector ada time-nya and then cause. Right, ada since. Jadi since yang kayak tadi yang ada di contoh, since he was late, gitu kan, I missed the train. Contohnya seperti itu ya. Itu artinya adalah karena ya. Right, almost same like because. And be careful. Please take a look and pay attention on the written. Jadi cara penulisannya itu ada yang digabung, ada yang dipisah. Dan kalau ada yang dipisah itu pun artinya berbeda ya. Especially like for in as much as, itu penulisannya memang in as much spasi as. Nah itu, oleh karena itu artinya. Nah, terus penulisan nih like as soon as long as. Jadi if later on you find exercises in the written expressions, yang di bagian written expression dan kalian melihat tulisannya itu ada yang disambung atau ada yang dipisah, itu adalah jawabannya ya. Itu yang salah berarti. Begitu, oke. Alright, so yang masuk dalam listnya atau daftar adverb time and cause connector ada di situ sudahan ya. Oke. So let's now into the exercises. Oke. Number 1 tadi correct ya. Oke. Since the bank closed in less than 1 hour, the deposits needs to be held it immediately. So, kenapa ini tadi kok correct? Lengkap ya udahannya. Oke. Every clause sudah terdiri dari subject and clause and dan kemudian subject and verb dan kemudian ada connectornya. Oke, number 2, what about number 2 guys?
Missing subject.
Yang missing subject yang mana?
Clause 2.
Clause 1 ya, right. The backgrounds are truly investigated before they are admitted or wherever ya, which is it's supposed to be there is a subject. Okay. Okay, you can go ahead for number 3 till 10. Somebody want to try maybe for number 3? Is it difficult, guys? Not really, or yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, difficult. Oh, I see.
Correct.
Three correct. Why this is correct?
Sudah ada konektor.
Which
Sudah ada
one is
subjek sama. Whenever.
That's good. So, is it every clause complete?
I think yes.
I think yes. Okay, so the citizens sama are becoming. And then whenever, right? Gitu ya.
Yeah.
Terus the accident
Okay.
occur. Okay, good job. Thank you. Right. So I'm happy to know that you are not difficult to find the connector ya. Jadi dibaca secara keseluruhan the whole of the sentence, and then once you take a look konektornya ini ya udah langsung dibalikin lagi ke clause 1, which is clause 1 is already complete, consists of subject sama verb apa enggak, seperti itu. So this is correct ya. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
good. Next. Somebody wanna try?
Incorrect, ma'am.
Number 4 incorrect. Why?
Missing connector.
Missing connector for number 1. Harusnya apa? What about the subject? Position of the connector. Harusnya di mana? In the middle, are you sure? Ini kan ada di tengah. Jadi konektornya harus di
depan.
Right. And then make sure each of the clause consists of subject and verb. The ground sama had been prepared. Okay. And then subjects, the seedlings were la 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 la. Okay. So complete. Nah, the question is what's the appropriate connector? Jadi konektornya harusnya apa? Jadi yang kita isi konektornya adverb of time apa cause connector? Or it could be, bisa jadi ya itu ya. Sorry?
No, ma'am.
Any idea what's the connector? Tanahnya sudah disiapin, koma, bibit-bibitnya, bijinya ditanam hati-hati, begitu.
Because
the
ground had been prepared.
The
seedlings were carefully planted.
Because karena tanahnya sudah disiapkan, biji-bijinya ditanam. Kalau pakai because atau kebalik atau lainnya maybe other since ya, the perfect, the best connector is since ya. Since the ground had been prepared, the seedling were carefully planted. Okay. Great. Okay, good. Thank you. Number 5. Somebody wanna try for number 5?
Missing connector.
We can start the conference now that all the participants have arrived. Kenapa kok missing konektor? Nggak ada ya konektornya ya di situ.
Yeah.
Any other answer?
Correct, ma'am.
Correct karena
Because it's complete.
complete. Complete-nya konektornya mana?
Now that.
Now that. Yes. So thank you ya. So now that is the connector. Right. Terus klausa 1 already complete. We can start and all the participants have arrived. So this is correct. Okay. Now that di situ artinya apa, guys? Somebody know? Now that itu masuk ke cause connector ya. Cause connector. Jadi artinya di situ karena we can start the conference karena semua partisipan sudah datang, right? It's kind of, I'm sure that it's kind of rarely strange word ya, strange sense that we usually hear. But if you pay attention on the movies or on what we call when you read kind of international magazine newspaper, yes, kind of word like know that in as much as itu sering dipakai in a movie kayak gitu. Itu percakapan which is foreign people they usually use that. Kalau kita wes salah pesimis wes because gitu aja apa ya begitu ya. So kita biasanya we use the standard one like because gitu. Okay, right. And then number 6.
Correct, ma'am.
Number 6, correct. Because
it's complete
konektornya yang mana?
Until.
Okay. Good job. Right. So every clause is complete ya.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
building. Misalnya tanya number the building quite vulnerable to damage. Nah, ini subjeknya yang mana, verbnya yang mana coba?
The
Kalau yang
building.
Oke, clause 1 complete nggak? Aman nggak? Nah, clause keduanya. The storm windows sama are installed ya, aman. Oke, nah clause 1-nya verbnya yang mana? So for clause 1 there is no verb at all. Quite vulnerable to damage is adverb ya. Gitu, sangat bisa rusak gitu. Nah, jadi ini belum ada verbnya, it's missing verb. Yes, jadi verbnya harusnya di mana? Ya udah di sini aja. Right. The building is yang paling simple is ya.
Yeah.
The building is quite vulnerable to damage until the storm windows are installed. So this sentence is incorrect because missing. Sorry, kok subject ya? Verb ya? It's missing verb. It's missing verb for the first clause. Gitu ya. Okay. Okay, good job. Number 7.
Incorrect.
Incorrect because
Missing subject in clause 2.
good. That's great. Yes, clause 1 adanya cuma apa?
Can be.
Yes, it's
Verb.
only verb. So we should find the subject. Is there any connector? Penghubungnya sudah ada belum? Yes, once ya. Okay, that's good. And then the subject sudah ada, the address label. Okay, terus ada is, ya udah aman ya. So, but unfortunately for the subject for the clause 2 there is no subject. That's why it is incorrect. All right, perfect. Okay, what about number 8?
Correct, ma'am.
Number 8 correct because
It's complete.
complete ya. Where is the connector?
Because in front of.
Because. And then subject and then verb. Sudah ada ya. Terus second clause-nya sudah ada.
Several workers.
Okay. So this is correct. Okay. Then number 9.
Yes.
Somebody wanna try?
Maybe incorrect, ma'am.
Because? Kenapa kok incorrect?
Clause 2-nya missing verb.
Clause 2 missing verb. Verbnya misbehave. Do you know what is the meaning of misbehave? Berkelakuan ya.
Oh iya.
So, itu verb apa noun apa? Let me find ya. Misbehave sih ya. Misbehave itu berkelakuan jelek. Jadi it's verb.
Oh.
Correct, jadi. Oke, konektornya udah ada belum? Gimana? Sorry. Konektornya ada, ya, oke. Clause 1 is the mother is going to be. Ya, ini let's say this is the verb and this is the subject. Nah, what about the connector? Konektornya adanya as long. As long itu pasangannya apa? Jangan ditinggal ya pasangannya ya. So, as long as harus lengkap, dia nggak bisa. Kecuali kalau as aja boleh. Tapi ini kan ada as long, jadi harus lengkap. Itu disebut complete. As long as. So, sentence is
incorrect.
Okay. Okay, what about number 10?
Incorrect.
Number 10 incorrect because
Nggak ada komanya itu ya, Mem.
that's great. So there is no comma. Nah, harusnya kenapa kok harus ada koma?
Karena kan harusnya 2 clause semua.
Nah, kan tadi di awal Miss Eva bilang kalau penghubungnya di tengah nggak perlu koma. Nah,
Penghubungnya
this is
di
because-
depan.
Yes, that's right. It
As
needs
much.
comma is because the connector is in the beginning, in front of the sentence. So after the first clause, there's supposed to be comma. Harus ada komanya. Nah, where is the position of the comma? Harusnya komanya lokasinya ada di mana?
Telah have not yet been counted.
Yes, that's true. So, all the votes, so this is the subject ya. All the votes. Terus, verb-nya adalah haven't yet been counted. Nah, ya udah, taruh aja koma because the next gonna be the second clause, the outcome of the elections, and then ini adalah the verb-nya. Keren. So, yes, this is it. Jadi, next time, if you find any questions like that, hati-hati ya, harus tahu bahwa komanya itu harus ada di mana, seperti itu. Itu yang nanti justru mempengaruhi, kalau terutama soal yang written expression itu ya, harusnya ini ada komanya, ternyata nggak ada komanya, that's gonna be the answer. Nanti jadi jawabannya. That's good. I'm happy some of you understand about this skill. Okay, so can we go ahead? Kita lanjut ya. Okay, great. So that's for the skill, the using of adverb of time and house connector. Nah, ini masih banyak lagi ya adverb other connector, adverb connectornya itu banyak. Nah, this position also could be, so let me show you first. Dia posisinya sama, boleh di tengah. Kalau dia di tengah, you don't need to give comma. Kalau dia di awal, barulah kalian you should give comma after the first clause. Right? So, ada condition connector, ada contrast, ada manner, ada place. Okay. If in case, jadi kalau condition itu jika ya, artinya rata-rata di situ jika. Jadi penggunaannya, so later on when you find like provided, providing, it depends on the sentence ya. Tapi maksud yang dari kalimat kata penggunaan dua kata di sini dia adalah sebagai konektor atau penghubung yang artinya jika, jikalau begitu. Terus ada kontras. Kontras itu berarti kebalikannya ya. Jadi artinya adalah walaupun, meskipun, seperti itu. Kalau as atau in that itu adalah seperti. Sedangkan kalau where or wherever adalah di mana, yang mana, begitu. Right? So let's take a look first on the example first. So I'm gonna put it back again into the beginning of the example. Okay, so contoh yang ada di situ, I will leave at 7 if I am ready. So penghubungnya adalah jika ya. Dan each of the clauses safe is because consists of subject and verb. And then, although I was late, I managed to catch the train. So it safe. Every clause consists of subject and verb, right? So What about the example in the box? What do you think, guys, the answer? Kira-kira jawabannya apa?
D.
D. Konektornya yang mana?
Provide.
Yes, provided ya. Berada di sini provided. So, you will get aman ya, subject verb. Terus berarti di belakangnya butuh subjek sama verb. Nah, Miss dikasih koma nggak perlu, because penghubungnya ada di tengah. Gitu ya. Okay. Right, good. So let's go ahead. Kita lanjut ya berarti into the exercises. Okay, exercise number 1. Kebelasan. Wait. Number 1, why this is correct?
Complete, ma'am.
Complete ya, oke. Number 2.
Missing connector.
Where is the position of the connector? Harusnya di mana?
Di depan.
Di depan, karena di situ ada komanya ya. So,
Yes.
the position supposed to be in the beginning, in front of the sentence. So, what is the appropriate? Apa tuh cocoknya? The commandant left strict orders about the passes. Several soldiers left the post anyway. Apa kira-kira? Okay, let me show you ya ini ya, biar bisa jadi acuan. Kelihatan nggak ya? Nih, ada if, in case, provided. Kira-kira penghubungnya apa jadi? Apakah we should choose the condition, adverb condition connector atau contrast connector? Apakah manner? Apakah place? Any idea? So the best connector is condition dia.
Oh, condition.
Jadi kan itu yang belakang karena beberapa prajurit soldiers itu apa sih, tentara ya. Beberapa tentara akan meninggalkan posnya. Jadi jika, kalau menurut Miss ya jika ya, atau if boleh, terus apa tadi? Provided boleh. Providing boleh. So if condition ya, in case juga bisa. So condition adverb pokoknya. Okay, what about number 3, guys? So number 2 here tadi konektornya harus di depan. Okay, what about number 3? Is it hard? Correct ya. Kenapa correct?
Complete.
Okay. Is there any connector?
Unless.
Yes. Okay. Aman ya. Klausal 1 aman?
Aman.
Aman. No one sama is admitted. Belakangnya
He or she.
subjek. Verbnya nggak
Requirements.
ada, guys. No. So as I mentioned before, apapun yang diawali dengan an, the, itu pasti kata benda. Nah, berarti the education requirements there is the object. While it's missing verb. Harus dikasih verb dulu. Ya. So, no one is admitted to the academy unless he or she got the education requirement maybe. Atau she or he has the education requirement. Apapun yang menjelas harus verbnya dulu. So, number 3 is incorrect because missing verb for the second clause. Okay. How about number 4? Correct. Okay. Penghubungnya connector while. Terus semua klausa aman. Most student turn ya sama a few sama us. Oke. Correct. Complete ya. Jelek amat sih Ceku. Wait ya. Aduh. Oke, number 5.
Incorrect.
Incorrect because
Missing subject.
missing subjeknya yang mana?
Klausa 2.
Klausa 1. Konektornya ada nggak?
Ada.
Which one is the connector?
Wherever.
Oke. Klausa 1 aman ya. I will take. Oke. Yes, ini ketiban need gini, nggak boleh ya. I will take you wherever you need. So subject. Oke. Lanjut. So incorrect. Number 6. Correct. Is there any connector?
Yes.
Connectornya yang mana?
Whether.
Whether. Okay. And if clause consists of subject and verb? Yes. I will wait sama the plane leaves. Okay. Okay. I'm happy everyone understand. And then number 7? Hati-hati ya. Number 7 ini menjebak. Ngeprank. Number 7 correct. Oke. Incorrect. Ada yang bilang gitu. Correct or incorrect? So, konektornya mana? Where is the connector? Providing. Okay, it's the connector. And then klausa 1? Aman. The envelope is. Okay, klausa 2? Your application. Is there any verb?
No.
Ada ya. No, acceptable is adverb ya. Acceptable itu dapat diterima. Jadi it's missing verb. Your application will still gitu boleh atau is still boleh. So this is missing verb ya. So the sentence is
Incorrect.
Correct. Okay, number 8.
Incorrect, Mom.
Because
Ada koma.
correct. Good. So where is the position of the comma?
Before a visitor.
Oke, jadi gimana? As the nurse already explained, gitu maksudnya. Terus koma gitu. What is the connector? Penghubungnya apa nih? S aja ini ya. This is the connector. And is it every clause consists of subject and verb? Aman ya. Oke. Ada the nurse, terus already explained, terus all visitor sama must leave. Okay, so it is incorrect because of no comma. Kenapa harus dikasih koma, Miss? Because the connector is in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, number 9. Is it difficult? Susah nggak? Number 9. Is there any connection?
In that.
Yes, betul banget, betul banget ya. In that is the connector. Jadi klausa 1
Aman.
aman. Oke. It sama covers. Oke, good. So, correct. Oke, number 10. Number 10, correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct. Karena where is the connector?
Oh.
Yes, tuh itu auto ya, meskipun walaupun. So, aman semua konektor? Snow sama had been falling sama everyone got. So, aman, Miss. It is correct. Gitu deh. Wow, alhamdulillah. Some of you understand, yeah. I hope everyone we just listen it, they really know about the things I've shared. Okay, so is there any questions, guys? No, alhamdulillah. Okay, so next time we can continue. I'm glad. Seems like everyone here quite enjoy structure ya. Kayaknya semuanya di sini pada senang dengan structure nih, hopefully. Okay, so thank you so much for the class today, guys. So I'm gonna see you next time, inshallah. Okay, catch up later. Right, bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you, Miss.
Oke, terima kasih. Yang lainnya jangan lupa absen ya. Oke, thank you and see you later.
See you.